Hello friends, today I am going to show you the top 5 most stunning water displays in the world, often featuring both human-made fountain and natural waterfalls. In this series, the first fountain is Bellagio Fountain in Las Vegas. The Fountain of Bellagio is a free attraction at this Bellagio resort located on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, Nevada. Fountain consists of a musical fountain show performed in an 8.5-acre made lake in front of the resort. The show uses 1,214 water nozzles and 4,792 lights. The fountain shoots as high as 460 feet. Second one is Dubai Fountain, is also world largest fountain located on 30-acre artificial Burj Khalifa Lake at the center of the downtown Dubai. It was designed by Wait Design, a California-based company also responsible for the fountains at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. Dubai Fountain is illuminated by 6,600 lights and 25 colored projectors. It is 902 feet long and shoots water up to 500 feet. It was built at the cost of 8 million dirham. It is the world's largest choreographed fountain. In this series, third one is Trevi Fountain, is an 18th century fountain in Trevi district in Rome, Italy, designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi. It is the largest Barco fountain in the city and one of the most famous fountains in the world. Height of Trevi Fountain is 86 feet and length is about 161 feet. The best known and most persistent tradition consists of throwing a coin into the fountain before leaving the eternal city, a superstition as associated with the fountain being that whoever makes this gesture would favor a future return of the city. An estimated 3,000 euros are thrown into the fountain each day. In this series, fourth one is Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls is natural waterfalls. Iguazu Falls are a series of waterfalls on the Iguazu River located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. They form the largest waterfall system in the world with separate 275 separate waterfalls. The falls divide the Iguazu River into its upper and lower section. The falls are accessible from both Argentina and Brazil. Iguazu Falls is renowned for its stunning natural beauty with lush rainforests surrounding the waterfalls. Iguazu Falls was officially recognized as one of the new seven wonders of nature in 2011. River flows through Brazil, however, most of the falls are on the Argentine side. In this last one is Fountain of Wealth in Singapore. Fountain of Wealth is located in one of the Singapore largest shopping malls, Suntec City. The Fountain of Wealth was constructed in 1995 together with the main Suntec City development. Fountain is made of silicon bronze and consists of a circular ring with a circumference of 66 meters supported on four large slanted columns. It occupies an area of 1683 square meter with a height of 14 meter. Thanks for watching.